What is up, investors? Jason here. So currently the entire crypto market is sliding a bit more bearish, and this is as investors are waiting for the CPI data report to come out and to let everybody know what is going on with inflation. Is it getting better or is it getting worse? That's the big question. So we're not going to spend too much time today on any sort of technical analysis, but we are going to be talking about Cardano. We're going to be talking about some news with Cardano. Now, currently, Cardano is on the brink of reaching 3,000 smart contracts. Now, I'm sure you guys remember that smart contract capability came out on Cardano with the Vasil Hard Fork, and this was back in September of 2021. Now, at that time, we had seen the price of Cardano reach its all-time high, and since then, what have we seen? Well, we've seen the price of Cardano start continuously dropping since then. We're really waiting for a big breakout to happen. Hopefully, we'll see that at some time after we get the Vasil Hard Fork to launch on the mainnet. Now, remember, we are waiting for that Vasil Hard Fork to launch the mainnet, hopefully at the end of the month of July or early in the month of August. Now, we just recently saw the Vasil Hard Fork launch on the Cardano testnet, and so far, things look like they're going very well with that. So let's get into some news with what is currently going on with Cardano. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Let's get to it. So Plutus-powered smart contracts were the big part of the Vasil Hard Fork that had come out back in September of 2021. That was the big draw with the price of Cardano, when we saw the price of ADA skyrocket, going from a price of around $1 in July to all the way up to above $3 in September of 2021. Now, soon after that, there was a Bitcoin flash crash, a lot of market volatility, and then eventually we saw the price of Bitcoin go up again and then eventually go to a new all-time high, but we did not see the same fate with Cardano, where we saw the price of ADA continuously dropping, even though the ecosystem on Cardano was growing during that time. Now, currently with the price of ADA much lower than it was at the highs in September of 2021, we still have seen this growth with Cardano's ecosystem. The evolving ecosystem on Cardano has been evolving. And at this moment, according to this article here from Finbold, smart contracts on Cardano are on the brink of reaching 3,000. Now, as of July 12, 2022, the number of smart contracts on Cardano currently is at 2,900. So 100 away from reaching 3,000. Now, this graph represents Plutus-based smart contracts that are now operating on Cardano's blockchain. Specifically, the update allowed Cardano to provide a decentralized finance application development platform and programmability to the developer community. In a series of tweets on July 3rd by Cardano's ecosystem developer Input-Output, the team confirmed the successful testnet of the Vasil Hard Fork, adding that it is now inviting the Cardano stake pool operators, SPOs, developers, building on the network, as well as exchanges to commence their final testing and integration processes. According to the tweets, the complex program of work that the Vasil Hard Fork involves will require projects to check backward compatibility, as well as SPOs to make some scripting adjustments. Now, currently the price of Cardano is beat up due to the fact that the CPI data has a lot of investors with a lot of anticipation of what the news is going to announce. Now, we already know that the news is not going to be that great, and we're already seeing that reaction within the market. Now, Cardano had just fallen below the price that it was holding on to a lot of support, that 44-cent price. At the moment, Cardano has dropped down, is now holding at that 40-cent support around there. Currently, it's priced a little bit under 42 cents at the time I'm making this right now. And we were really close to seeing a potential breakout through this wedge that we were seeing, that we've been in since the second quarter of 2022. So seeing that the way that things are working out right now, the price of ADA is down a bit, but also Bitcoin's down and the entire crypto market is down as well. So fingers crossed that there's going to be some sort of silver lining to happen here soon, especially since there's only a couple weeks left until we're expected to see the Vasil Hard Fork launching on the mainnet. So with that being said, though, I'll keep this one short. I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about the current market conditions. What do you guys think that's going to happen here over these next couple weeks? So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. See you in the next one.